Samsung Galaxy F12 may be next F-series phone, Galaxy A02s spotted on Geekbench. Samsung Galaxy F12 seems to be the next phone in the company's new F-series of smartphones. Currently, there is only one phone in the F lineup, Samsung Galaxy F41, but now, as per a new report, a Samsung phone with model number SMF127G has leaked. There are no details about this phone, but it is believed to be called the Galaxy F12. Additionally, another Samsung phone, believed to be the Galaxy A02s, has been reportedly spotted in a Geekbench listing. Talking about the rumored Samsung Galaxy F12, a report by Sam Mobile states that Samsung is working on a new smartphone with model number SMF127G, which may end up being called the Galaxy F12 or Galaxy F12s. It is possible that, like that Samsung Galaxy F41, this new phone may also be a rebranded version of one of Samsung's M series. The Galaxy F41 was a rebranded Galaxy M31. As of now, Samsung has not shared any information on the Galaxy F12 or Galaxy F12s. In other news, a Samsung phone believed to be the Galaxy A02s has been allegedly spotted in a Geekbench listing. The phone comes with model number SM A025G and listed with 3GB of RAM, an octa-core Qualcomm processor, and Android 10. It gets a single-core score of 756 and a multi-core score of 3934. The Geekbench listing was first spotted by MySmartPrice, and the publication states that the Galaxy A02s may be powered by the Snapdragon 450 SoC. Samsung has not shared any information on the rumored Galaxy A02s either. Earlier this week, the rumored Samsung Galaxy M02 was spotted on Geekbench with 3GB RAM, Android 10, and an octa-core Qualcomm processor. It is believed that this will be rebranded version of the Galaxy A02 or the Galaxy A02s, as the model numbers of the two phones have been spotted together in multiple listings. It is unclear when the two phones, the Galaxy F12 or Galaxy F12s and the Galaxy A02 or Galaxy M02, will be launched and if they will make their way to the market. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.